What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transfer money from Tremendous Card to PayPal. We're currently on PayPal and this is a step to follow if you'll need to do this successfully. You'll need to log in. Now as you can see we have two cards here, and in order to transfer money from Tremendous Card to your PayPal, you'll need to add your Tremendous Card to PayPal. So go ahead and click on Link Bank or Link a Card in your case. In our case we have Link a Card, so we're going to choose it. Then all you'll need to do is to put in the details of your Tremendous Card right here. When you're done, you can click on Link Card. Now when you do this, the Tremendous Card will be among the list of cards you have right here on your PayPal. Then if you'd like to transfer money or make any transactions on PayPal, you will be using your Tremendous Card to complete transactions on PayPal. So in a way, you will be having your funds connected from your Tremendous Card to PayPal in order to make transactions successfully. So this is how to transfer money from your Tremendous Card to PayPal.